Hey there, gamers! Are you ready to take your skills to the next level? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to share some game-changing tips and tricks that will help you achieve ultimate success. Tip number 1 is all about practice. The more you play, the better you'll become. So make sure to set aside some dedicated gaming time every day to hone your skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. Tip number 2 is all about knowing your game. Take the time to learn the ins and outs, study the strategies, and understand the mechanics. Knowing your game inside and out will give you a major advantage over your opponents. Tip number 3 is all about communication. If you're playing a multiplayer game, effective communication with your teammates is essential for victory. Whether it's coordinating attacks or warning about enemy positions, keep those lines of communication open. Tip number 4 is all about staying calm under pressure. It's easy to get frustrated when things don't go your way, but staying calm and collected will help you make better decisions and ultimately lead to success. And finally, tip number 5 is all about having fun. Remember, at the end of the day, gaming is all about enjoyment. So embrace the thrill, embrace the challenge, and most importantly, embrace the fun. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed these tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more gaming content. Now go out there, master the game, and achieve ultimate success.